Hello everyone, today I have a review of the knife, this time from the Fontani Scarperia company, the ZUAVA model, another traditional, regional Italian classic. Information booklet about the manufacturer. The knife itself comes in a stylish wooden box, the logo depicting a crown, and the description Fontani Scarperia Italia in the box. Another leaflet, this time about the knife in Italian language. A black sweat case for storing the knife. And the knife itself. Total length is 18.5 cm, blade length is 8 cm, blade thickness is 2.5 mm. The steel of the blade is NITRO-B. It is a good quality stainless steel, tempered to 57 HRC, flat grind, semi-finish. On the blade, the company logo depicting a crown and the manufacturer's name, Fontani Scarperia Italia. Slip joint. Here is no nail nick, but it doesn't disturb with smooth opening. Very good mechanics. The blade has adequate, almost ideal resistance. The handle scales are made of light buffalo horn. The whole thing is rifted. Stainless steel ferrules. This heel at the base of the handle gives a good support for the hand during work. In summary, another Italian classics, this time in a manual version, an absolute must-have for all enthusiasts of this type of knife. This is a traditional, very elegant, so it is perfect as a gift for any occasion and for everyone. A nice wooden box. You can make a display stand. It's a cool idea. Fontani Scarperia has many interesting models in its offer, including razors and kitchen knives. It also really liked the Trappanel model. Check out the description below the video and take advantage of a 10% discount on the knife from the manufacturer. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.